Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to corner clip in Roblox. Okay, first things first, start by enabling Ship Lock in Roblox. This feature will help you perform the corner clip more easily. Locate a corner in the game where you want to perform the corner clip. Just position your character next to it. Use Shift Lock to get a good angle. Rotate your camera until you can see your character's face clearly. This step is crucial for the glitch to work. With your character's face visible, attempt to clip into the corner by moving forward. It might take a few tries and it can be trial and error. If it doesn't work on your first attempt, don't worry. Corner clipping can be challenging and might require multiple tries. When you successfully corner clip, you'll end up on the other side of the wall or corner. And congratulations! That's it! You have finally done the corner clip in Roblox. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now corner clip in Roblox. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!